Hello, everyone. For a friend with VJ Parker Rich. Today, you're busy or yeah, abadamful celebrities are what pass through Ghana or your media. And there is one common name or you're common with abadamful celebrities or your media house if you're a media personality. But you're sure there, you know that person, right? But first, abadamful celebrity in Ghana. I'm out for checking a pa, obejiz in a pa. I mean, Ibiaba, but in recent times, there was a man called Muna Moble. Muna Moble, you know, yeah, but I'm for the other cheddar, no, we ain't papa. Now, Muna Moble fee system, we were expecting another banger, personal saw Ben and our friend, oh yeah, the real teacher.
We no yasu ya beje ho lances. Se yantechi no, me kwa magana fo nyina no. Se yantechi wo mo anchiri na ntum. Na Ghana fo amfa nya adisu a. Hwe, we no yamba president nanim krampo na ya start say ye hihye afa kuromu. Ye be shi we ni public. Afa kuromu.
We teacher so you be otum or your bodanfo bi ojeje Ghana fo enwa pa. Now right after that in again ya couple or yeah abadamfo another sebi wa dream no oye wan ye kakra but media no muzi we were using them as a source of entertainment only your Don Papa the Greatest and the Empress Lupita
Queen Luzata with God Papa the Great. Love you, chop keys, Papa chop, give it to me. I love you.
They gave us a lot to watch, but in recent times Ghana is about to experience a banger. This is an international collabo. Why but them fish abrochi no other Ghana they shame. Combination here great. Respect to the man we call Kubala.
Ghana is about to change. A new wave from the kingdom of Kubala. All the police are going to serve me. All the chiefs are going to bow before me. If you have a president, he has to come and kneel before me. Kubala.
The king is in Ghana. Na king awaba Ghana, nem brebi no zabe ba na chede na no ye show.
I am the king of Kubala, and I live in the jungle. When the Romans defeated Yesu Christo by crucifying him, they thought they had won the battle.
First of all police people should bow to him. The president should bow to him. Yeah. Now another thing, sorry, can you know? And sorry, they need to close down. The one more initiative I was about there, a buying or either what we're implementing there will be no cars. We all have to ride on horses. Yes, and so I personally go with the policies of Oye Kubala. And very soon I'm going to join the Kubala kingdom. Ilizwa. Because I have a sister way. Me was sister biwo UK. Wa start reading hundred friend She has already initiated herself into the Kubala kingdom. And I'm also joining them because I, Paco, believe in the Kubala policies. It's saying any preaching, any teachings of Kubala. You know that Ghanaians are lacking something. Yes. But funny that try not doing Edruman or Kasa, but Kubala is a different brand of Adrim. Another but for when it comes to brands Ghana produce when it comes to wanyo crazy. And so me speaking as now. Sorry, Nka wabo dem ni bire afam. I'm alright. Mumba dem be I. Kubala. Elizwe. Now let's get serious. So Kubala, fine. One of our own. And we deport to UK and Abagana. But there are a few things that I need to let you know. Abagani. Ghana here, we don't joke. You understand? Obi asebi abadamno. Fine, you are entitled to free food at any wache or gobe joint. Baby ana pabo sorry be awoton wache be abotuma akwene kejina obeti be amo free. But there are certain lines you do not have to cross because one, Ghana police will with zero tolerance for Agbadan for some. Trust me, they will deal with you. Now, there is one thing I need to tell you. Say, Scotland and if they were charitable and they couldn't suck your blood, Ghana and Tuntum's are all wicked. And now when I was one room. Sorry, young one are snakes now in room and Ankasan. One pain in Panasam so or what be a show or bushwa. Kaida you than the snake, you have a scores to settle. There were scorpions, there were other wild animals in our bushes and forests. Inti brother, say adrenal, a torture. Pocho, yesterday we Ghana forest, but there is this question I'm asking. Oye Ghana, Oye psychiatric hospital, asylum down, anchor for in a other institution. They say, "Bibi damn Oye years and Oye there family fun wasn't one of Kwana day. Here you able to my 2 years ago na ya chairman." Because on a serious note, when I visited Dubai, I walked on the street. Sabi me hu badan fu krumpo. And I asked Nimpana me question or catch him. The world leader now doesn't want to see people with that mental challenge on the street. And so there is a place why I'm on when I will go. Don't we think it's about time that we'll take things serious and also, have a place and also go on the street and capture some of these people and give them proper mental care? I mean, this is a suggestion, but if it makes sense, let's talk about it. Enti Kubala, Banazaba. But the Kromahan, if you cross your boundaries, budget they will deal with you. Trust me. But still, Kubala, Elisway.
The matter chop hot.
Asemene diloto. Hey! Aye! Hey!
All be lie.